Hello everybody! Today we're going to talk about money. A lot of people, a lot of students ask me to prepare this lesson. So here we are. This lesson is for you. First of all, we're going to talk about different currencies. Second, how to talk about money correctly. And third, we're going to talk about and see some large numbers. Are you ready? Here we go. We're going to start by analyzing some common currencies. And a currency is the money each country has or each region. For example, in the European Union, we use the euro. So we can say that the euro is our currency. In the UK, they use pounds. In the USA, they use dollars. That's the currency is the dollar. In Japan, you have the yen. And in Saudi Arabia, I'm not able to copy the symbol, but they have the real. Okay, these are some of the most common currencies, but of course, each country has its own currency. We're going to mention some specific vocabulary which is very useful. Be careful when talking about prices, because we don't use the decimal point. The decimal point is the one we use when we are talking, for example, about percentages. We are going to say 0.5%. In this case, we're going to say point. This is the decimal point. You have a video, I explained this in the video I'm leaving over there. You can go and have a look if you want. So, we don't use the decimal point when talking about prices. We have three possibilities to say this. And we have 13 euros 95 cents, 13 euros 95, or 13.95. The three of them are correct. When talking about money, we have notes or coins. Notes, we have 5 euros, 10 euros, 50 euros, 500 euros, and we say a 5 euro note when we are talking about the piece of paper. Coins, we have 2 cents, 5 cents, 1 euro, 2 euros. Those are coins. And when you're going to buy something, you can pay in 3 different ways. You can pay cash, you can pay by check, or you can pay using a credit card. Now we're going to talk about large numbers. Let's start with 800. Here we have 8,000. Here we have 80,000. And here, do you know? 800,000. Here we have 8 million. And here, do you know? Right. 80 million. And here, any clue? 800 million. Pay attention. We don't use the S. We use the word in the singular form. But when we are talking about an approximate quantity, for example, hundreds of people, we use the plural. For example, thousands of currencies or millions of markets. In this case, we use the plural form. When talking about exchange rates, we do mention the decimal point. And we're going to say there are 1.19 US dollars to the euro. Another example, there are 151.05 Japanese yen to the British pound. So we can say that we use to the when talking about exchange rates. Antes de continuar, symbols, quiero pedirte que si te está gustando la lección, me apoyes con un like, te suscribas al canal, le des a la campanita si no te pierdes ningún vídeo como este y si tienes alguna duda, me dejes algún comentario. También te invito a visitar nuestra web inglesalacartaonline.com, en donde encontrarás muchísimos cursos y servicios enfocados a los diferentes sectores laborales, al mundo de los negocios, por ejemplo. Let's continue with some very useful symbols. Here we have, this is an addition. Okay, when we use this symbol, we are talking about an addition, and this symbol is a plus. In this case, we are talking about a subtraction, and this is a minus. Afterwards, I'm going to give examples. Here we have a multiplication, and we can say times, we can say multiple times, or we can say multiple by. This is a division, and we're going to say divided by. Here we have a percentage, and we have, this is the percent. As I said before, 0.5%. Okay, here we have, this is a hash or number. Okay, this is equals, and this is a slash. Now I'm going to give you some examples, and here we have an addition. 5 plus 2 equals 7. A subtraction. 5 minus 2 equals 3. A multiplication. 5 times 5. 5 multiple times 5, or 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. A division. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Got it? That's all for now. See you next class. Bye-bye.